Hi everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I make chicken Parmesan dinner. Here we have 2 pieces of chicken breast, and we're just gonna flatten them out real quick. Take 4. So we are ready to go. All-purpose flour is ready. We have the egg wash, and we got the little experiment going. One chicken breast is going to be coated with Progresso breadcrumbs Italian style, and the second chicken breast is going to be coated in Progresso PANKO crispy bread crumbs. So we're going to flour the first chicken breast, move it into egg wash, egg wash it. This one's going to be Progresso Italian breadcrumbs. Second chicken breast, beautiful, egg wash. We're gonna coat this chicken breast with panko. So it's gonna be chicken parm, Italian breadcrumbs versus chicken parm, panko style. So this is chicken breast coated with Italian breading, and this is chicken breast coated with panko. The sauce we're going to use is RAO'S homemade tomato basil. So my panko chicken breast is done. It looks real good. So we're gonna put some sauce and cheese on it. So we got the Italian breadcrumbs, panko. We're gonna put the sauce right on top. I watched videos where guys put the sauce on the side. That's not chicken parm, guys. You're making chicken Milanese with sauce on the side, okay? And they don't even put the cheese. They just make chicken Milanese and they put some tomato sauce on the side and they call it chicken parm. That's not chicken parm. You made chicken Milanese with tomato sauce on the side, okay? Breadcrumbs. Alright guys, that took a long time. Here is a panko chicken breast. And this is the chicken breast coated with the Italian breadcrumbs. Panko's on the left, Italian breadcrumbs on the right. Panko's on the left, Italian breadcrumbs is on the right. There's only one thing left to do. Let's try it out. I know I'm hungry, but it's delicious. It's really, 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 really good. Now we're gonna do the panko. Beautiful. It's the front. Panko's definitely crispier, but the Italian breadcrumbs are seasoned perfectly with all the Italian seasonings, so they taste better. That chicken breast tastes better. But if you prefer the crispy taste of panko, then panko's for you. Now you can season panko any way you want to, so that's the advantage. If you like it more crispy or crispier, go with panko and just season them. If you don't care about your chicken being crispy, then go with the Progresso Italian breadcrumbs, because it's seasoned beautifully and it tastes great. Either way you go, you have a winning dish here. Beautiful and delicious chicken parm, Parks and Pizza. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.